How and how long did it take you to decide which part of court reporting to get into?
Well, since I've been in various parts, it kind of depended on where I was at in life. When I first got out of school, I wanted to freelance. I wanted to work downtown. I wanted to have, that whole experience. And I did. And I went downtown and, the office on State Street and just having a good time, and trained under one of the legends in our industry, Sally Cochran, and got a lot of exposure to kind of the downtown attorney type, I don't want to say mentality, but there's definitely a difference in big city reporting and suburban reporting, and as you get farther away from cities, it's a little different. I lived in Wheaton even when I was attending court reporting school, and I just kind of got tired of the commute and decided I wanted to come out with a suburban freelance firm, and I did that for a lot of years. And then life circumstances, a divorce and being a single mom, I really needed to have some health benefits and some different benefits, so I went to be an official with DuPage County.
My career move to becoming an official court reporter was because I thought that I wanted more stability. A lot of court reporters don't know that they have other options, and you're only as good as the first firm that hires you. So for me, I worked at a very large firm that had volume work, and it was inconsistent. I might have made one amount one month, or maybe I felt that I was spinning my wheels and working harder than I should have been working smarter. So my options at the firm I was at only for 2 years. I didn't feel like I had much of a growth opportunity, so I knew that the courthouse was located only 5 minutes from my home. I knew that I would draw a salary, and I would also have benefits. The benefits would be that I was working for the state of Illinois, and they would take the taxes out of my check, and that I would be provided health benefits and holiday pay. And I equated the value in that to be approximately $10,000 to myself each year. So do consider the benefit of having the added value of what the firm is going to offer you as well.
More flexibility. So for me, the decision has always been driven by a life experience, and that's one of the great things about court reporting. You do have the flexibility, not only with straight court reporting, but with captioning and with CART, attending college with the hard of hearing community as well. You have a lot more options. Down the line again, life circumstances changed again, and another baby, and I really wanted to be able to enjoy some of the time with my kids as far as being with them at school events and volunteering for different things, and so I went back to freelancing with a little bit more flexibility.
Is it really that easy to just move among them?
Timing is a big thing. I was lucky in that wherever I left, I always left on good terms. So when I left the freelance agency that I had been working for over 10 years in the suburban area and went to be an official, they completely understood why I was making that decision. And so I had a home to come home to when I decided to leave the official world. I went back with that agency. And then when that agency owner sold to a national company and decided, not to report anymore, that's when I started my own agency.
Wow. And I always encourage people to grow in this career and be open to learning. So if the firm says, here, I want to give you a 2-year plan, learn this, this, and this is the type of work you'll get, be open to learning.